Imagine your auto repair shop lost in a sea of competitors. What if AI could guide customers straight to your door? Welcome to North Las Vegas, where the game is changing fast. AI-powered local search is not just tech, it's a revolution for auto shops. Picture this, a car breaks down, and boom, your shop pops up first on their phone. No ads, just smart AI, magic. But here's the twist. It's not only about being found. AI learns what customers want, predicts their next service, and sends personalized deals, pulling them in like a magnet emotional hook. Think of the family stranded on the highway, saved by a quick AI search connecting them to a trusted local mechanic instantly. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now with America's best shops steering the future. Traditional advertising is fading. AI-powered search is your new roadmap. Want more customers? Want to grow? This is where you start. So, will you be left behind or will you take the AI-powered wheel? The road to success in North Las Vegas is AI paved. The question is, are you ready to drive forward?